Hi, I'm Krishiv. I've had an awesome journey through tech, including like robotics, home labbing, AWS, and there was a ton of failure involved. So, yeah, that's what I'm here to talk about. Failure, also known as learning. It's an interesting thing that like part of every learning process, and yeah, it's a thing I've been really intimately acquainted with. My first introduction to that was when I was 8. I was in a robotics class, and um, yeah, so I soon got good enough in the class so that I could go to some competitions, but like I came dead last every single time. It was yeah, it was not fun. So I realized that like with robotics, I saw that every time I did something wrong, failed at something, I got much better in skill, and I don't get any better unless I fail again. Soon I started realizing that I enjoy the programming aspect of robotics way more than building, so I started learning Python. And yeah, like I Python taught me that like I how to break down problems, how to solve them piece by piece, and just yeah, that process of programming. I, and also laid the foundation for home labbing. So I watched a Network Chuck video about how to turn a how to like use an old laptop, install Proxmox, and have your own home lab. And I thought I want to do that. So that's exactly what I did. Yeah, while I was home labbing, experimenting with a few things, there were many times when like I spent 3, 4, 5 hours just working on like some simple problems, but like this is when I learned how to actually solve problems, use my resources like Google, which apparently like using Google is quite a difficult skill. And soon like my uncle introduced me to AWS certifications, and when I was 13, which is the minimum age, I like started earning some certifications. So the thing I've realized throughout this whole journey is that if you're not ready for something, that's the perfect time to do it. Like if you don't feel ready, you're probably ready. I wasn't like ready for robotics. Like when I started, I didn't even know what decimals were. Like I had a lot to learn. Um, I I wasn't like ready for Python. I didn't I didn't know what programming was, what loops were. I was really confused when it came to object-oriented programming. It was very complicated, but I worked through it. I definitely wasn't ready for home labbing, but like I didn't even know what a terminal was when I got started. So there was a lot to learn there. And by far, I definitely wasn't ready for AWS certifications. Like they recommended 10 years of industry experience. I was 13. Yes, but like I still tried it and somehow I succeeded. So yeah, I've seen that like when you do something you fail the first time, do it again. You succeed the second time. It gives you like a huge level of motivation to go pursue the next thing that you want to do. So do things you're not ready for. If you're considering it but you don't feel ready for it, you're probably ready for it. Yeah, so whatever it is that like you're considering or like something like that, just go for it. Um, just waiting for it to switch to the next slide. Thank you.